Assalamualaikum nursery class. Now it's the time for the smart maths readers and activity book for the movers. Okay, page number 17. What is this on the page number 17? Can you see the number? Yes, this is 1 and this is 1. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 1, 11. This is 11. Okay, now what is in the picture? Rabbit. Oh, all the rabbits are here. Can you count all the rabbits? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 rabbits. 11 rabbits. 11 rabbits. Okay, let's count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this is 11 rabbits. We have counted all the 11 rabbits.